I'm Tara. This is my 2007 BMW 335i hardtop convertible. Today I'll be installing new side skirts, also known as rocker panels, onto the side of my car. I'll admit I'm pretty scared to do this install by myself, but I heard it was going to be easy, so I'm going to give it a try. Here are my new M3 Rep side skirts from JG Mods. They're made of polyurethane and came unpainted out of the box. These clips also came with them. Here's what the car looks like before. To start, open the door and pull off the door sill with your hands. This is what it looks like underneath that. Because my car is so low, I used my cell phone camera to get an idea where their screws are underneath. There were 8 screws under my side skirts. I used a T27 bit to remove the screws from the bottom, but some were really stubborn and I ended up using my fingers. This part was really frustrating and it took me quite a while. To remove the push-in screws, first use a small flathead screwdriver to loosen the middle peg and raise it up a little. Then use a golf divot repair tool to pull it out. Pliers didn't work for me here. Then use a flathead again to pull up the other part of the screw. Use an 8mm socket wrench to remove the 2 screws near the back tire. After pulling off the old side skirt, look at where the clips are placed and put on the new clips onto the new skirt. Push the new skirt on and put all the old screws back in place. And here it's finally done. It was a lot harder than I thought, but I think it looks good and the curves make it look sportier. Up close though, there are a couple areas that don't match up perfectly, but I think it turned out okay.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.